bruh. What's up, bougie babes? It's your girl, Susie B, back again with another video. So, today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do a transfer-proof makeup routine. Yep. If you like to see how to get transfer-proof makeup, all you gotta do is not wear makeup. That's it, because it's gonna transfer. I'm kidding, it's a joke, I did it and it worked, as you saw at the beginning clip. Continue to watch this video if you wanna see how I did it. And let's get it popping. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the eyes, because if you're wearing a mask, then obviously you wanna have a bomb eye look, right? Because they're gonna be like this, and you just wanna be all mysterious with some mysterious looking eyes. So anyways, we're gonna start with the eyes. I did one off camera because I just want to make sure I can do it. Anyways, let's get into it. I'm not gonna talk during this part. I can't. The level of concentration that I need to have. Okay. Maybe I'll talk. Anyway, so I'm just gonna put this white base on my lid so that I can have a good color payoff. And this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Flat White. So I'm gonna let that dry down a bit and then I will blend her out. So I blended that flat white out. I said I wasn't gonna talk, and here I am, blabbing. So the goal here is every time you add a new color, you're overlapping. So all you're doing is cutting the crease in the shape that you want it to flow. You're gonna take concealer on this small fluffy and you're gonna put concealer in the spot that is blank. So now we have the eyes done. Let's go ahead and get to the base. So we're going to try to do this makeup to where it is transfer proof against your mask. Your mask is pressed up against your face. So this part of your face, you want to put as less product as possible. Because at the end of the day, makeup transfers. We can make it as transfer proof as possible, but if you are out and about, the moisture of the mask and your skin and the sweat eventually is gonna break the makeup down, and eventually you will get makeup on your mask. Don't let nobody lie to you and think that your makeup is going to last all day underneath the mask. It's not. If you went to the grocery store, it's all right. If you go into a restaurant, it's cool. But if you're gonna be out and about all day with this mask on, honey, it's not gonna work. So here we go. So that was the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. That is really good for oily skin because it really holds your makeup in place and prevents it from breaking down really easily. I'm using the Farsali Skintune blur to blur out my pores here. Then we're gonna take a setting powder. This is the Glam Galore Tinted Powder in number 3. And I'm just gonna take that on the butt of my beauty blender and set my primer in place. Now you really wanna heavily concentrate this on areas that your mask is gonna touch, which is right on your cheekbones here, across your nose here, under the nose, and the chin. Now, because we're wearing a mask and we want this to be transfer proof, obviously you want to choose a matte foundation. You don't want to go with your dewy, like dewy foundations or anything like that. You want to try to stick with matte. Soft matte foundations are great. Full coverage matte foundations are great too, depending on the type of skin you have. So the foundation I'm using is the soft matte foundation from Glam Galore Club in the number F46. Again, we are concentrating most of the products up here, less down here. So what you want to do is pump it on the back of your hand. I know that I usually apply it directly to my face, but the way we want to distribute this product, you just want to pump it on the back of your hand, get it on the back of your beauty blender, and just start blending it in that way. So it's not a lot of product on my face. I still have coverage. So if you find that you have problematic skin, just use more. And you want to concentrate it the most at the top of your face, and whatever's left over, that's what you bring down. So the goal here is to use less product and try to get the same type of coverage. Okay, so now concealer. With the concealer, you don't want to do your deep V like you usually do when you're applying your concealer. You just want to do a little bit, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Because you're going to have a mask on. They're not going to see past this point anyway. So do that, let that dry down. We'll put a little bit on our nose here. And then on our forehead. And you're just going to tap. So now we're going to set under eye. Using that same tinted setting powder. You want to concentrate it right on that cheekbone there, because that's where that mask is going to be sitting off. And then while that is setting, you want to take a fluffier brush and just set the other parts of your face. And now we're going to contour. Wearing a mask, you want to take your contour slightly higher than you usually wear it. And you don't really want to use cream, you want to use powder. So this is Glam Galore Club's contour powder. Anyway, so you're going to take that on a contour brush. Now normally, my contour is here, right? But my mask is going to cover that. So I'm going to take it a little higher here. So we're creating an illusion of a chiseled face. Now, my face is normally cheekboned up. My cheekbones are very prominent without makeup on. So I bring that back into my face, but I'm cutting it a little higher than usual because you won't be able to see it with my mask on. Brush it up so it can blend into that highlight. This part is important. Concentrate it here. And I always tell y'all to go to the head of y'all's brow. That's really important with wearing a mask because we still have to give the illusion that our face is super beat even though they can't see the bottom half. So cheat your contour and only concentrate it at the top of your nose, but into the head of your brow. Okay? I'm using a pink one. And take it on the apples of your cheek. Whoa, sis, that's a lot. Blend her out. Blend it into your contour. Okay, so since we're not going to see the tip of your nose through your mask, you're not going to put your highlight there. You're just going to do it on the bridge. All right, so it's very important that you have a really good setting spray as well. The setting spray that we're going to be using today is the Urban Decay De-Slick Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray. While the setting spray is drying, we're going to do our lipstick. So you do not have to wear a lipstick. If you're wearing a mask, you probably shouldn't even wear lipstick. But this lipstick in particular from Glam Galore Club is, oh my God, that stuff made my hair freeze. This lipstick in particular It's a liquid lipstick from Glam Galore Club. Now, liquid lipsticks, period, are good ideas for lipsticks if you're wearing a mask. It's kind of pointless to wear lipstick and a mask unless you're going to like a restaurant and you know you're going to take your mask off. So, this one, I'll insert the color here because off top, I don't really remember. But I will insert the color here and I'll put it down in the description box. But I can guarantee you, I'm not going to lie. You put this on, you can eat, you can drink, and it will still be on after you finish. Like, it stays. It has such great staying power. So I believe in this. I believe that this will keep us good, okay? And it's a nice fall color because, hey, we're getting in the fall. Y'all see the mask on? The mask on? Okay. All right. I'm gonna take it off and see how much makeup transferred. Bruh. Barely even anything. And we can argue that that came from my finger. Tell me I ain't the GOAT. Holla at your guala. Hey, it's lit. Please make sure you like this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought, how you thought the video was gonna turn out. Did you think that I was gonna have transfer? Did you doubt me? If you doubted me, you ain't loyal. Anyways, yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit all on that bell notification, because if you don't hit the bell notification, you won't be notified the next time I upload. And if you're not notified the next time I upload, then you won't know when I upload. You have to go search my name. That's Brushstroke by Susie, which that's a lot of words. I'm just trying to help you find me easier. Help me help you find me easier. Okay, thank you. Bye.